I have a fun read aloud for you today about the letter Q. There's so many words in this little read aloud that start with the letter Q. Remember, Q says qu. I want to go over the words in the book before we actually get started. There's many words in this book that we haven't really looked at yet. So let's have a look at the words first, and then we're going to go back to the beginning of the book. So down here it says words in this book. The first word is queen. This is a word that we all have seen this week. Queen, quail, another word we've seen. This word we haven't seen too often. It's the word quiche. A quiche is a type of pie that is filled with eggs, cheese, meat, and vegetables. So right there you see the quiche. And then we also have the word down here that says quarter. When we use the word this way, the word quarter, it means one piece in 4 pieces. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pieces, and then we can see 1 piece, a quarter. This, friends, is a quince. This is like an apple or a pear, but it's a little bit sour, not sweet. The quince is on a quilt, and a quilt is a type of blanket. And then we have this word that we don't really use too often. It's queue. And a queue is an area where a line of people wait. Queue. And this animal is a quoll. It's a marsupial, a meat-eating animal that lives in Australia. He looks very cute. And then quart. A quart is a unit of measurement, right? This shows us what a quart looks like. A quart has 4 cups in it. And this quart is filled with quarters. Quiz. It's a short test. A quiz is just a short test. This word is quinoa. And quinoa, here's a picture of it, is a lot like rice. You eat it just like rice. It's delicious. Q is for quill pen. A quill pen is a very fancy pen with a feather on it. And this says the queen has a question. I wonder what her question is going to be. Let's find out if I can go back to the beginning of the book this way. No, so I'm going to just go back very quick and get back to the beginning of the book. And we'll find out what the queen's question is. Here's the cover of the book. The Queen's Question. And here you can see the uppercase Q. And this is written by H.P. Gentileschi. Let's find out about the Queen's Question. There she is again. Here's the dedication page. The Queen has a question. What says quack? Does a quick quail say quack? I don't think so. Does a quarter of a quiche say quack? No. Does a quince on a quilt say quack? No. Does a coal in the queue say quack? And here's the queue or the line. You think he says quack? I don't think so. Does a quart of quarters say quack? Does a quiet quiz say quack? How about this question? Does a duck eating quinoa say quack? Do ducks say quack? I think they do. And then here we are at the end again, the words in the book. I hope you thought that was a fun read aloud, friends. I enjoyed it.